Force, Work and Energy Part 3. That energy which we get from the electric current is called as electrical energy. It is generated at the power plants and moved to our houses and factories through wires. Examples of electric energy are batteries, thermal energy, hydroelectric energies, etc. Next type of energy is wind energy. The energy that is produced by the moving air is called as wind energy. For example, windmills utilize wind energy. Another type of energy is sound energy. The energy that is produced when an object vibrates is said to be the sound energy. Example, ringing of bell, exploding of fireworks, loudspeakers, etc. produces sound energy. Solar energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called as solar energy. It is a non-polluting sources of energy. Example, solar panels use solar energy to produce electricity. Last type of energy is hydro energy. The energy obtained from falling water is called as hydro energy. Example, water falling from the dams. It is one of the oldest sources of energy. वो सारी tools जो हमारी daily life को easy बना दे that are called as simple machines. We use so many simple machines in our day-to-day life. Types of simple machine includes lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley, wheel and axle and screw. First, let's study about lever. लीवर में एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फल्क्रम एंड इट हैज अ रॉड which can rotate about the fulcrum. Lever has three parts: load, fulcrum and effort. It is further divided into three class. In class first lever, fulcrum बीच में होगा load and effort के. Example, seesaw. In this fix there is a one fixed point and effort is applied on the one side while the load is on the other side. Another example is scissor. In class second lever, load बीच में होगा, fulcrum and effort is on the either side of the load. Example is nut cutter. Here you can see a fixed point, fulcrum, load is in the middle and effort is applied on the other side. Next example is bottle opener. In class third lever, effort is in between the load and the fulcrum. Example is stapler. You can see effort is in between the load and the fulcrum. Next example of third class lever is forceps. Another type of simple machine is inclined plane. इसमें एक sloping surface होता है that helps the heavy objects to load and unload. For examples, barrels are unloaded from the truck with the help of the sloping plank. Inclined plane is also used in hospitals to take patients from one place to another using a wheelchair. इंक्लाइंड प्लेन की हेल्प से हम हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ईजिली किसी भी ऊंची सरफेस पे लोड एंड अनलोड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सिंपल मशीन इज स्क्रू. अ नेल विच इज कट इनटू ग्रूव्स इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्रू. इट हेल्प्स इन होल्डिंग थिंग्स टुगेदर टाइटली. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सिंपल मशीन इज पुली. पुली में एक व्हील होता है जिसके ऊपर से एक रोप पास करती है. It helps in lifting up heavy objects. Examples of pulley are hoisting the flag, drawing water from the well, lifting heavy objects using cranes. It is another simple machine which makes our work easier. Wheel and axle together form a machine. A rod attached at the center of the wheel is called the axle. Examples where wheel and axle is used are in doorknobs, in between the tires of car, windmills, etc. Last type of simple machine is wedge. It is V in shape and it is made up of metal. Wedges are used for cutting and splitting the things, for example, knife, axle, shovel, etc. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिंपल मशीन्स एक साथ ऑपरेट करती हैं, then that type of machine is called as complex or compound machines. An example of compound machine is car. There are many examples of compound machines like sewing machine, wall clock, bike, etc. Thank you for watching.